so much for stopping by. I'm kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which every single day. This is my wolf. I'm still in bed. It's not even late. It's not even early. I just don't want to get up and do anything. What are you gonna do? I guess I'll take you guys with me for the first home game of the season at Stony Brook. My brother is on the team. I hope he plays. If he doesn't, I'm gonna have an attitude. But I've had a long week, and when I say everything, something is always something. Now the keyboard on my Mac is not working, so I have to get a new keyboard, or I can't get into my computer. So hopefully this video comes out on time. If not, but I can't really do like a real get ready with me. I'm not doing anything but washing my face and brushing my teeth and throwing something on. Like, I'll show you what I throw on, but it's supposed to rain, so I'm not combing my hair. I'm gonna throw a hat on. I'm really, really aggressive at these games as well. I have to whisper that because I act a fool. And the coaches, everybody pisses me off. So hopefully it's a good day, and I'm not driving. We're gonna be riding into Tessie today. Not mine, because I don't make that YouTube money. But if you guys are ready to get into today's videos, make sure you go ahead and keep on watching. I'm just kidding. So here's my hair. I'm literally just going to put it back in a hat because cannot bother today, and it's supposed to rain, so it's not happening. I'm actually just prepping my Emgality. So here it is. If you haven't been watching my shorts, maybe you should check it out. I post every single month when I take my Emgality injection, and I just realized that this is injection number 7, so dose number 7. The first 2 doses, well, the first dose, which is actually 2 doses, is taken in the office. They show me how to do it. We do like a demo, and then I do it myself every single month on the 7th. So it is the 7th of September. This is the 7th dose. And this week is the 7th year that I've been dealing with this. Check out my video. I think it's like I've had the same headache for 5 years, something like that. I'll put a card or try to link it in the description. But I think that was after year 4 where things got a little crazy. It's actually when I got this tattoo of the only prescription I could take at the time. Medicine just changed. And this is relatively new, probably like 3 years, 2-3 years old. And I've been trying it, and it's actually working. The only thing is that like work has been really, really stressing me out. So it's kind of negating those effects. And then the lights in these are bright lights in my kitchen, but the lights over my desk are way more harsh. They're solid white lights, and it is absolutely awful to the point where I had to leave. Let this cut out. I had to leave the office early one day, and I have an appointment on Tuesday, and I'm going to try and get a note saying that I cannot be in the office for a little while to recover, because it's just negating the effects of my prescription, and it's absolutely awful. So I actually am getting set up to actually do the short here. It's my little apartment. So I have my ring light here. I do it in front of the bookshelf, give a brief overview, show you guys how I take it, and then ooh, that light's bad. And then give an update. So sorry about that. So the update today, of course, is going to be that it's 7 years. It's actually working. But like I did have some really hard, like 2 really, really bad weeks where my head was just killing me, and then I was throwing up, and the lights in the office, it just really fucked me up. But in addition to that injection, I do also take rizatriptan. It's a 10 milligram tab. I take it as needed, but I can't take more than 3 within 24 hours. So it's kind of crazy. It also makes me feel kind of crazy if I'm trying to like stay up and work through it, because other than that, it makes me like I'm dizzy. But if I can take it and lie down and take a nap, it's really good. It actually does work, and then by the time I wake up, it is like I'm fine. So right now, I'm not completely pain-free, but it does provide a lot of relief. I can feel it getting a little bad now, but again, work has been stressing me out insane. Like, and I hate it. I've been searching for a new job. The market is awful, of course, but I'm off all next week, so hopefully I can rest and relax and reset and just get it together. When I come back, I'm actually dressed, but I'm just wearing like a crop, and throwing on a workout set. Again, it's going to be raining. I'll probably check you guys when we're in the car. We're taking a test. Darian's car. My brother's car. Here we are. We're in my little office/home studio. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm basically ready to go. This is the best I can get of the outfit. It's just a little Shein set. It's real cute. It's gonna rain again, so no hair will be shown. I do have on black girl sunscreen because other sunscreens leave that nasty little white cast on my face. So far so good. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna be able to get. I'm probably gonna have to get something on my phone. You guys know the drill with these things. I am using that Amazon TikTok viral budget friendly vlog camera, so that's where we're at with it because there's a lot going on. Also, my keyboard, I need a new one, so I can't even get into my computer. What a day we are having. But I'll catch you guys at the Stony Brook game. Back to you in the studio, Jarrett. I'm kidding, but I am gonna go. I'll probably check you guys in the car on the way. Something such like that, or when we get there, I don't really know. But we're gonna find.
Rusty.
Okay, guys, we made it back home. I'm exhausted. It is 7:32. The game is at 3:30. We left at 2:30. So there's that. We won. This is the first win of not only this season but last season too. They did put my brother in at the very end, but I have no footage of that because it started pouring. When I say the clouds got so dark, I got a clip of that. The clouds rolling in, and then it's just like on cue. Everyone started putting on their ponchos, and guess who didn't bring their poncho? That they have. Me. So we were like, nah, and then we went under our seats. Like, we're not under it. We were in like the skybox, so we came down to stay warm where everybody was out of the rain. Pouring, and the winds were like, honestly, I was like, this is not a hurricane because it was in my hat almost flew off my head. Crazy. But that's it, guys. Had a lot of fun. I'm freezing. I'm tired. I can't wait to wash my butt in the shower. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. When you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time I upload. Bitches take a Monday like clockwork. Every single Monday. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time.